Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the official unboxing of a 1080p drive-free webcam which we have on screen. This is initially the box that we will get into, so we can now bring the product to rip open the packaging. So the top 1080p drive-free webcam, the front the same, the side more information, the back the same, the other side HD built-in mic, 90 degrees large wide angle, CE marketing. Now let's get into the box itself. Nothing else in the box. This is the star of the show. USB powered. This clips onto your monitor. We can use double-sided tape if required to. This goes into the USB port. And this is a cap to just cover up the camera when not in use. So, a couple of reasons as to why you may want to purchase a webcam. Maybe for some meetings through Teams, Skype. If you have a business meeting on Zoom and your computer does not have a webcam, this could be the product for you. So, that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.